Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Chariel Camba. I'm 29 years old from the Philippines. I graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am also a mother of 2 children.
How old?
They are 3 years old and 1 year old.
Is it a boy or a girl?
They are boys.
Okay, who will look for them if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother and their father.
Okay, and how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Are you a registered teacher?
Yes.
Okay, did you ever work before as teaching here in the Philippines?
Only
Tutorial.
Yes.
So this is only on-call,
Yes, ma'am.
on-call tutor.
Yes.
Okay, so you did not try to apply here as in the education.
I tried, ma'am, but they don't have calls, ma'am.
Okay. You have experience before as a helper.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
How long?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. How many members of the family did you serve?
1 couple and their child, ma'am.
How old the child?
4 years old, ma'am.
So what did you do as their helper?
I do household chores, do laundry, taking care of their son.
How about cooking?
Yes, I do.
You do cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I am willing to learn, ma'am.
How was your relationship between you and your employer before?
Good, ma'am.
Why?
They love me so much.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I believe I have a better opportunity there, ma'am, in Hong Kong.
And okay, how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will make myself busy.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Again, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a grandparent staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. There's no problem with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to follow their instruction very well and if there is a baby, I will take care of them. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2386.